reflex action and reflex arc. Whenever we happen to come close to an object that is capable of harming us, we immediately withdraw the part of the body that is the most vulnerable. This is called reflex action. When a person touches a hot cup, the sensory receptors in the hand send a stimulus via the afferent pathway, which contains afferent neurons, to the spinal cord. The afferent neurons enter the dorsal nerve root of the spinal cord. The stimulus is passed on to the efferent neuron, which travels the efferent pathway to reach the effector organ, in this case the muscles of the arm. As a result, the hand is quickly pulled back. The brain is not involved in the reflex actions, as it would take more time for the impulses to travel to and fro from the brain. The afferent neurons or receptors taking the causal stimulus to the CNS, the spinal cord, the efferent neurons or effectors, the exciter neurons, and the action performed in response to the stimulus together form the reflex arc.
소리에 심장이 툭 언제부턴가 따라해 난 네 말투 다 알아챌 수 있어 네 손 잡으면 You know 어떻게 해야 너를 버텨낼지 몰라 이런 내 모습에 나도 깜짝 놀라 It's true 멋대로 자꾸 발이 널 따라서 가는 걸 조금씩 쌓여간 너와의 시간 널 향해 내 또 그렸네 움츠렸던 시간 모두 모아 다 삼켜내 작은 기억 하나 둘씩 날 깨워가 세상 가득 채울 만큼 나를 펼쳐가 길고 긴 밤을 지나 다시 트립길을 떠나볼래 Why not 이 세상에 내 맘을 깨워주는 한 나 혼자였던 yesterday 셀 수 없는 시선에 떨어지는 눈물로 하루를 또 견디고 아슬했던 yesterday 쏟아지던 말들에 흔들리는 나를 또 감싸고 잊을 수 없는 sky Let's go crazy 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 till we see the sun I know we only met but let's pretend it's love and never 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 stop for anyone tonight let's get some and live while we're young 내 손을 잡아줘 미래로 달아나자 Like an echo in the forest 하늘 갔다 나오겠지 I'm a widow up in the sea Yeah, life goes on Like an arrow in the blue sky 또 하루 또 만나겠지 On my pillow, on my table 하나 둘셋 How you